Welcome to the mythical forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we have another grocery store dump. We are going to show you how we compost all of this stuff in our compost bins. These are almost all full, so this is the one we're going to do today. But this is what all the stuff that the grocery store was going to throw in the landfill, and we're going to make black gold out of it. Look at that. Raspberries, blackberries, bananas, celery, squash, tomatoes, dragon fruit, avocado. There's probably, mushrooms. You name it is in there. Look, bell peppers. Okay. Also in that bunch of stuff were these potatoes, a whole bag full. And the reason they threw them out is because they're all sprouting. But guess what? I'm not going to compost these. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to plant these in the garden and grow potatoes. They're already sprouting. Why not? That's all I needed them to do anyway, is to sprout so I could plant them. They're in perfect condition for planting. That'll be another episode y'all watch. Okay, we have it layered here. So what you do is you do a lasagna layer. And what you do is you do your vegetables, your green, anything green, it's considered hot. Anything brown is considered cool, except for coffee. And so what you do is you layer it so you can see, look, there's even dragon fruit and papaya here. And so I'm going to lasagna method. I'm going to put dried leaves. And then I'm going to do another layer of this fruit. I've cut as much as I could in pieces and halves. I didn't bother doing that. I was lazy today. Just got over COVID and I don't feel the energy to do it all. But
here, let me lift this up.
That's good. All right. So let's do another layer. Maybe I will break a little like that up. Let me put a little bit more. But anyway, you guys get the gist of it. You can turn it if you want to. I don't. I just let it sit and compost on its own. Let me take that little sticker off. I'm going to add another layer of leaves. So good that we save the leaves from the yard every year when it drops. It's already starting to develop leaf mold, which is really good to make fermented fertilizer. We have a series on that too, if y'all look for our playlist. But this is a shame, huh? That the grocery store throws all this stuff in the trash. We're going to make black gold out of it. And then there's still more from that we're giving the chickens. So imagine that. Imagine how much stuff they've thrown away. If some of it's still going to the chickens. All the lettuce and stuff are getting to chickens. And this is, oh look. Grapes even, look. Black soldier flies will love this.
It smells great.
It does. It's, the black soldier flies, if it was summer, they'd already be on top of this. In fact, what I think I might do is I think I'm going to go get a whole pile of worms and put in here to help me with this. So, what I'll do is I'll have Forrest stop it and throw this in the trash. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to throw it in the compost.
Almond milk. The leafies like almond milk.
I'm not letting anything go to waste. If I had the energy, I'd walk over to the fermented fertilizer and pour it in that. But I don't have the energy today.
Worms.
So I'll put that here, and I want to show y'all this. Look at all the worms.
We got worms. Look at that.
Look at all those. Those are going to go help me compost all of this
They're
stuff.
social creatures.
Look at this.
They're all on top of each other.
Most people will be grossed out, but I don't get grossed out handling worms. My daddy used to teach me to put worms on a hook for fishing.
Here's
So
the other thing. I think, like, imagine if you can, like, rub up against somebody and taste what they had for lunch. Be like, oh, you had
what in the world?
burrito. I think that's why they all pile up on each other, because they
They
can
probably are
feed.
trying to keep warm too.
They're trying to keep warm, but they're all wet, so they have to share, like, oh, no, because their stomach is inside. Never mind.
I have no idea.
I think
Maybe
they can, like,
do.
rub on each other
They
and,
smell
like,
like when you go to
You
the
had Burger
dentist
King,
and
can
you,
I have
and you
a
ate
piece?
garlic for breakfast for
Oh,
lunch,
man.
like that.
No, it's like
Well,
they
it's
rub,
kind
like for example, you had Burger King. I rub up on you, and I'm like, oh my God, you had or McDonald's, you had the McRib. Can I have a piece of your McRib? And you already ate it, but you can share it with me.
Oh my God.
That's what I think these guys do. That's how they lay
So
on
now
top of each other.
now that we have it layered on there, then that's when we put all these yucky plastic bags. We're going to reuse them. I've been reusing this for 3 or 4 years now. So, haven't disintegrated yet. That means these must be horrible in a landfill. These have been in here that many years.
Oh yeah.
So
How many?
imagine
3, 4
that.
years?
So at least I'm reusing them. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I'm giving them a purpose in life. And that's to keep my compost moist. Keep the rats and stuff out.
Let's see how much stuff we have left. Holy moly, there's
I'm
still
gonna do another can, yeah. But
whole
anyway,
bunch.
and then I put something on top like this to hold it down.
Look at
And
that.
that's all you need, you guys.
And there we go. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.